Imagine knowing instantly whether or not you can fulfill your open sales orders, not just based on the finished product, but every single component needed to manufacture it. After 10 years of building custom reporting solutions for QuickBooks, this is our top-selling report. Check out this game-changing view. Green shows your customers' order details. Blue shows the finished product they want. And in black, you see every component required to build it. It tracks assemblies, sub-assemblies, and components up to 5 levels deep. The report automatically flags stop when you're missing parts and go when you're ready to build and ship. Here's where it gets even smarter. Click the hyperlinks to instantly see incoming purchase orders and every other sales order competing for that same part. No more digging through QuickBooks screens or spreadsheets. Our customers tell us they can't imagine running their shops without this, but don't take my word for it. Book your free trial today and see why manufacturers are choosing this over expensive ERP systems.